I am here with David Azizi from the law offices of David Azizi, and many of the recent videos we have completed have discussed car accident cases and car accident cases in which an individual was driving the car or things you shouldn't do when in a car accident. One of the discussions we had was not to get out of your vehicle when cars are driving by quickly because unfortunately you're at a high risk of getting hit and wrongful death is possible. And David, I know you've had situations where a tow truck driver was actually helping someone else, and they unfortunately were hit and had a wrongful death. What exactly happened with that situation?
It was a very tragic incident. Here, there was a tow truck driver who had a family, wife, 4 kids, and he usually would work the night shift because he got paid more, obviously. And in this particular incident, what happened was he responded to a vehicle that had been disabled on the freeway. And he was assisting this disabled vehicle. Obviously, the vehicle itself wasn't able to move off the freeway, so he had to get in front of this vehicle, hook it up, and lift it up and go. And so, but he had gone ahead and put the necessary warning signs behind the vehicle to let any drivers on the freeway approaching to let them know that he's doing this work. Unfortunately, in this case, it was a Coca-Cola truck driver who was not paying attention. He comes going somewhat at a high rate of speed, I would say, I think 65, 70 miles per hour. And our guy was in the process of hooking up the disabled vehicle onto his tow truck when the Coca-Cola truck just creamed into this vehicle. And as a result, this individual who was a tow truck driver got hit and pushed off and thrown onto the embankment down below. And in fact, when the police officers came to the scene, they were looking, saying, okay, what happened? Where's the driver? And it was the people who had the disabled vehicle who had to tell them, look, the collision was so forceful that he got hit and thrown off the freeway into the embankment. And unfortunately, due to the severity of the collision, he did not survive. And it was a very tragic accident. And unfortunately, it happens a lot. You know, and we've discussed this before with regards to technology nowadays. Even though truck drivers nowadays have cameras inside their truck showing them and showing outside the vehicle, there's been numerous cases where we found out that the truck drivers are distracted with regards to their surroundings. They're checking their phones, seeing what's going on, and it's all caught on the video of their truck. And unfortunately, these accidents happen.
So, and that brings up a very good point, to find a lawyer and attorney who actually knows and has been through the situation before, as you have, to retain these copies of these videos and to get all the information valuable. So to contact the law offices of David Azizi, please feel free to call. There are attorneys and lawyers at the practice that have over 10 years of experience with wrongful death cases. The phone number will be above in the YouTube video as well as below. And thank you for your time, David.
Thank you.